जाकिर साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझे आज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग पर ज्वाइन करने के लिए स्काइप के जरिए। माय नेम इज रोहिणी एंड आई एम फ्रॉम रेडियो नशा। और पिछली बार
हाँ
जब
हाँ,
आप मुंबई आए थे, आप हमारे स्टूडियो आए थे और तब
बिल्कुल
हम
आया था।
जी हाँ, कैसे हैं आप?
आई रियली एंजॉयड माय सेल्फ, बहुत दैट वाज अ गुड विजिट। आप आपका स्टूडियो भी कमाल है, हाँ। और मतलब एक ही जगह पे, एक ही फ्लोर पे तीन या चार रेडियो स्टेशन बन जाते हैं, कमाल है। इट्स अमेजिंग, आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी टू बी देयर, बट आई एम सो worried that we are not able to work in our working environment, and I hope that someday soon that we get to do that.
योर फैंस कैन बी एनीबॉडी एंड आई थिंक दैट इज सो वंडरफुल, क्योंकि मुझे याद है यू मे नॉट नीड टू हैव any sort of formal training in classical music to attend a Zakir Hussain concert, and I think that is truly a gift because you have made it so accessible हम सब के लिए।
आई जस्ट ट्राई टू, मुझे बस ये लगता है कि जो भी आए कलाकार को सुनने के लिए, मेरे साथ जो भी बजा रहे हैं, कि वो इंजॉय करें, मजा करें। मतलब हम लोगों का क्या होता है, कभी कभी हम कलाकार लोग मंच पर बैठ के बहुत सीरियस हो जाते हैं, और मतलब ये कि बड़ी बड़ी संजीदगी से ये कार्यक्रम को प्रस्तुत करना है, और ये सब करके ऑडियंस पहले ही घबरा जाती है कि ये क्या मुसीबत है। हम तो यहाँ खुश होने, उछलने कूदने, मजा करने के लिए आए थे, और आह वाह वाह करने के लिए, जस्ट टू एंजॉय योरसेल्व्स, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू डील विद दिस प्राचीन सभ्यता एंड 20 घंटे रियाज एंड 40 साल का रियाज एंड व्हाट नॉट। सो आई एंजॉय व्हेन आई एम एबल टू जस्ट सिंपली सिंप्लीफाई थिंग्स and have fun and get the audience involved.
And I think that that comes from the ability to be able to communicate with an audience and to be able to talk our language. Because I remember, of course, Nasreen Munni Kabir ji, I'm so grateful she had done this fabulous series of
Ah,
you. This is truly one of my guidebooks, and she's so wonderful. But I
thank
remember I
you.
go back to one of these chapters जहाँ पर मुझे याद है कि आपके वालिद साहब ने कहा था कि I talk with my hands. मैं ज्यादा बात करना पसंद नहीं करता. And
Correct.
you had that choice, and you kind of broke that because I think communicating with an audience for you was a lot more important. Can we, go back in time and kind of trace कि ये जो है, ये जो शौक है बात करने का, या फिर लोगों से अब उनके अंदाज में बात करने का, ये perhaps कहाँ पर शुरू हुआ था आपके लिए?
जब मुझे ये समझ आई कि मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है, तो मैंने बातचीत करके टाइम निकालते हैं। नहीं, लेकिन आए, देखिए, हम लोग जितने कलाकार हैं मेरी जनरेशन के, वो सब एक कलाकार से और या उसके हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक को प्रेजेंट करने के तरीके से प्रभावित हुए, और वो कलाकार है पंडित रविशंकर।
बिल्कुल।
So उन्होंने, मतलब he was the first what you may call superstar of Indian classical music on an international standard. And वैसे तो इतने बड़े बड़े कलाकार हमारे हिंदुस्तान में हुए हैं जिनका कोई सानी नहीं है, and they are all incredibly great. And और ये मतलब दुख की बात है कि उनका इतना प्रचार उनके नाम का पूरे विश्व में नहीं हुआ जितना रविशंकर जी का हुआ। लेकिन उसका कारण भी है कि he was accessible. उसका कारण है कि वो कम्युनिकेट करते थे ऑडियंस से, राग को अच्छे तरीके से समझा देना, लेकिन 10-12 शब्दों में, और उसको साफ तरीके से पेश करना, और फिर अपने साथी कलाकार के साथ जो नोक झोंक स्टेज पर होती है वो, और cheerful atmosphere, smiling and interacting, that was very important. So those were the things that I watched growing up as a child, because my father always played with him, and they seemed to have a whale of a time on stage. They were just enjoying themselves and doing it. And I watched the audience's reaction. It was great. And then I'd go to see, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab or Ustad Vilayat Khan Sahab or all these great other maestros. And the atmosphere would be very, serious, and the audience was, और जो audience वहां आती थी उनको सुनने के लिए, वो भी सुनकार लोग ही ज्यादा करके आया करते थे, और जो आम श्रोतागण हैं वो कम आया करते थे। तो आई थॉट कि ये जरा थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है, इसको सही करना चाहिए। और when I came to America, I think in myself I started to relax a little bit more, because I could try to put into action these thought processes in a country where I wouldn't be criticized for doing that, which is my own country. So having done that here, when I came to India, it was so much easier to just go ahead and be myself on stage. But one other thing, मुझे बहुत से कलाकारों की सहायता भी मिली उसमें, जैसे पंडित शिव कुमार शर्मा जी, पंडित हरि प्रसाद चौरसिया जी, पंडित बिरजू महाराज. These great musicians took me along, helped me along, and allowed me to sort of, what do you say, blow my own horn on stage. And yeah, I did not mind at all. And I'm really eternally grateful to them for having allowed me to find my way, vent whatever extra things were there inside myself, so I could then calm down and pay more attention to being a focused accompanist and so on. So that had a lot to do with who you play with, has a lot to do with it. Ravi Shankar ji had my father, और उन दोनों का जो तालमेल था, वैसा तालमेल देखने को नहीं मिला. तो बनाए मैं जब शिव जी, हरि जी के साथ, अमजद अली भाई के साथ, बिरजू महाराज जी के साथ जब बैठता था, तो तालमेल कुछ ऐसा होता था कि दो भाई आपस में नोक झोंक मजा कर रहे हैं, और वो इंटरेक्शन देख के ऑडियंस को भी मजा आता था कि वो हमारा रिएक्शन देख के उनको भी उस रिएक्शन में शामिल होने में एक सिग्नल मिल जाता था कि भाई इसने वाह वाह की है तो ठीक है, हम भी करते हैं, चलो.
बिल्कुल. And it's so wonderful that I get to chat with you so much this year. पिछले साल अब्बा जी की birth anniversary, 100 years of अब्बा जी, और इस साल पंडित रविशंकर जी की same 100 years. And I think ये बहुत ही मुबारक मौका है हम सब के लिए to actually look back and just congratulate the sort of body of work that they've created. I would love it अगर आप मुझे एक ऐसा किस्सा सुनाएं रविशंकर जी के साथ जब आप स्टेज पर हुआ करते थे, something that still makes you smile.
पहले तो ये बता दूं कि अप्रैल का जो महीना है, it's a very important महीना for India, because ना सिर्फ पंडित रविशंकर जी का जन्म हुआ 7 अप्रैल को, and मेरे फादर का हुआ 29 April, even though it's Taurus, it's still April. Ustad Ali Akbar Khan Sahab, the great Sarod maestro, was also born on April 14th. And so these three legends of Indian music who really spread the music all over the world were born in the month of April. So it's a great month to be around. And abhi just kuch din pehle mere father ka 101st birthday hua. 29 April, we had a great time. We had a cake up here with marzipan and so on. And we had a fashion show at home directed by my granddaughter.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she's 4.5 years old and she directed the fashion show. So that was, so that's went on. So anyway, with Ravi Shankar ji, what was interesting was हम लोग बैठे हुए थे कहीं प्रोग्राम बजाने के लिए. I think it might have been Washington DC.
Okay.
1970, February 1970. And we had just played in New York. And so we arrived in Washington, D.C. And we got on the stage the next evening. And Ravi Shankar ji sat on the stage. And then we tuned up and everything and ready. And he looked at me and smiled. And he said, "Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to play for you 5 cents cigar."
Okay.
He said, 5 cents cigar. I said, "What do you mean by 5 cents cigar?" I mean, you can buy cigars and you can play it like as if an Indian musician is playing some sitar or something. And then he said, "By the way, I'm saying 5 cent cigar so you can understand it as an audience from America. But I want to tell you the name of the rag is Pancham Cigar."
Acha! Kya baat hai? Kya baat hai?
So Pancham Cigar. So I was kind of clueless what was going on. I tell you, I burst laughing, and it went so loud, and it was on the microphone, and it was one of the funniest moments that I remember with him. And then he used to always tell jokes and so on. So that happened all the time. But this on stage, a funny moment was this.
Wow, I think this is something we'll always remember for 2 reasons. Of course, that he is such a funny man, and also it contains the names of one of our favorite music composers from Indian cinema, which is Pancham.
Yeah, Panchamda. Of course, I'm a big fan of Panchamda and have been, and what a great composer.
But let's talk about the United States, also a place that is going through a bit of a flux in terms of just figuring this out. वहां सैन फ्रांसिस्को में आप पर कौन कौन सी पाबंदियां हैं? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हम यहाँ पर अपने लेन में जाएंगे तो सब कुछ बंद है, वहां पर ऐसा है क्या?
Yes, everything is closed. और मतलब मैं जहाँ रहता हूँ, it's a town where I've lived for almost 40 years and it has not changed. It is the same, the buildings are the same, the houses are the same. Nothing is more than 2 stories. And it's almost like living in a small hamlet town, township or village. So as it is, रात को मतलब 8:45 मतलब 12 बज गए, 2 बज गए रात के, ऐसा लगता है. So वो तो है. लेकिन शहरों में भी, सैन फ्रांसिस्को में भी, which is 20 minutes away, hardly anybody's out. Stores are closed. Only essential things are like grocery stores जो हैं, they are open. But for even that, you have to only, अब जैसे एक grocery store में जा रहे हैं तो in a big grocery store only 40 people can enter. So the rest have to wait in line outside.
Bilkul.
So they can get in. So that's happening. And of course, sanitizers everywhere, masks everywhere, and so on is going on. People rarely take cash because that means almost touching you.
Physical contact.
So physical contact. So Apple Pay and all that stuff has become more important these days. So that's going on. There is pabandi as to, okay, you can have 1 packet of toilet rolls.
Yes, no I believe people are crazy with toilet rolls in America, and they are the in demand object, which is running out of stores truly.
Yeah. Why? Thankfully, in India, we didn't grow up with that concept.
Exactly.
So yeah. So toilet rolls are in demand. Paper towels are very hard to come by, simply because wiping, they need it for wiping everything. So that's an issue. But apart from that, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा न्यूज़ में कि हजारों लोग मर गए, ये सब हो गया, wherever you look there are bodies, ऐसा कोई situation नहीं है. ये situations जो है वो सिर्फ न्यूयॉर्क has the biggest problem. And then comes just places like Los Angeles or Chicago. But when we comes to us, like for instance, they are saying to us, that was today, okay, we are almost flattening the curve now. And it's coming to a point where hardly maybe about 15 people are in serious condition in ICU, every 4th day. So that's how good it is here. And there is, quite a bit of wide testing going on, which is one thing we don't have in India. We don't have wide testing. So we actually don't know what kind of a COVID collection of people we have in India. So that's difficult. So I'm finding that on Friday, which today is Monday, they're planning to open some retail stores and stuff. And then we'll start moving forward in that. That's called phase 2. So after 1 million people being infected and over 65,000 people dying, which is the largest number in the world, and so therefore it looks like amazing, but it's been in pockets, and it's bad, but it's been thankfully in pockets, and most of America has not had that kind of an impact.
I would love to know personally, because we all find out who we are when we're with ourselves, or force isolate in a certain sort of way. Have you realized something? अपने बारे में आपको पता चला कि हाँ यार मैं ज़्यादा न्यूज़ नहीं पढ़ सकता क्योंकि नींद उड़ जाती है, या what is
correct.
अपने बारे में हर किसी को मौका मिला है अपने बारे में जानने का. आपने क्या जाना है अपने बारे में?
मैंने ये जाना है कि this opportunity I would never get again. It seems like, I did not realize how much of myself I have yet to explore. And it comes forth because I'm sitting alone at times, or मैं अकेले बैठा हूँ and I'm just looking at a book or looking at some kind of a design of something that my granddaughter has made, and it's taking me back into my childhood. And I'm thinking about those moments in my childhood, and they're coming back to me because there I realized that there were interactions with my dad, which I, have basically forgotten or glossed over, which I'm suddenly starting to remember and recognize. I mean, just the other day before yesterday, every Friday I do a live Instagram tabla thing.
Yes.
So I was just looking at something on Thursday, and I saw his photograph, and then my granddaughter came and said, "Oh, this is Grandnana," and I don't know what inspired me or what connected with that, but I suddenly found myself in this one day of situation where I was talking with him. I transported to that time, and I remembered that day what he had taught me, which I had totally forgotten. So then next day, Friday morning, I actually performed it. And I realized that I must look inside of me a little bit more. We public people just, are so busy, putting out, this persona of us that in doing so, कई साल करते 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 खतरा ये है कि हम वही बन जाएंगे. तो ये होता है, तो ये हुआ है मेरे साथ, and I'm realizing that this is something that I should step back a little and rediscover my inner self in a little bit more detail, and see where that leads me to. But thankfully, my wife, both my daughters, my son-in-law, my granddaughter, they're all here.
Yeah.
So I get to spend a lot of time with them. I get to play outside in the courtyard with my granddaughter and live in her mythical world. And that allows me to visit my mythical worlds, which I used to have as a child. And I tell you, having lived the life of a grown-up musician since I was 16 years old.
Yes.
It didn't really give me a chance to actually enjoy my younghood.
Yeah.
And so that is something that I'm discovering now.
Wow, my God, because all of this takes me to two things that I want to share with you. एक बहुत ही कमाल की चीज मैंने पढ़ी कि people who are givers, and in many ways artists or performers are givers. In the act of giving, do not empty yourself, because often givers find themselves empty, and for that you have to learn to, of course, conserve. And this is a great time to, as we say, recharge your batteries. That's number one.
Absolutely.
This
is it. I'm recharging.
Or
I'm revisiting a lot of the old recordings of my dad.
Yeah.
I'm, and trying to put them all on hard drive. We just recently figured out, I think day before yesterday, to record videos straight to the computer. Finally.
Oh, okay.
So now I've got hundreds of videos. So that's another thing we're starting to put down. And God knows what I'll find there.
You don't know. And also, again, you'll be able to share it with the world because of it. Because right now it's only you. Also, the other thing, I was speaking to my therapist, and God knows everybody needs one at this point, just so that we can make sense of the world. और उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि क्योंकि हमारे पास शायद पहली बार जिंदगी में वक्त है, इस वक्त की वजह से our brain is actually revisiting these sort of old files that we haven't had the time to visit within our own circuitry. And she said everybody across, the board of people who've been talking to her have been talking about this phenomenon of how they're going back to their childhood. So when you said this about, going back to this memory, it just told me, I mean, I got goosebumps, because truly, we're all human, and this is what's happening at this point.
Yeah. This guy should be known as Swami therapist.
Sonali Gupta, I love you. But speaking of memories, I think one of my favorite memories is a story that you've told us. ये तो मैंने सुना है, लेकिन मैं चाहूंगी कि और भी लोग सुने. मुझे याद है कि जब वो announcement था कि आपको पद्मश्री दिया गया है. आप St. Xavier's College में थे, and it's also my college, so it's a very special memory for me as well. क्या आप हमें बताएंगे कि उस दिन क्या हुआ था?
Oh my God, उस दिन क्या हुआ था? Okay. गाना भी है ऐसा कोई, क्या हुआ? वो क्या कहते हैं? मैं भूल गया. Anyway, so उस दिन मैं पंडित रविशंकर जी के साथ बजा रहा था. पता नहीं क्यों, पहले तो ये क्योंकि मैं सोचा, क्योंकि मेरे फादर वहीं थे. So me sitting and playing, he not playing, कुछ I mean, I don't know. I didn't understand, but it was to be. So I was playing with Ravi ji, and it was the IMG festival, which was originally known as Ustad Ashik Ali Festival. Originally, the IMG festival started as a tribute to my father's teachers. So it was, yeah. So it was known as that, and it said that Ustad Allah Rakha and Xavier's College jointly present this festival, and so for a few years it went on like that, and then it became IMG Festival after that. So I was playing IMG Festival and Ravi Shankar ji. So as usual, all night program tha quadrangle mein, और last item Pandit Ravi Shankar ji and myself, और तो हम बैठे करीब 2:30-3 बजे रात को, और 6-6:15 बजे तक बजाना है, ऐसा कुछ था। ठीक है, सो बैठे बजाने के लिए आलाप उन्होंने किया, फिर मैं जॉइंट किया और एक पीस हमने बजाया, पीस खत्म हुआ। इन द मीन टाइम व्हाइल द पीस वाज गोइंग ऑन, इट वाज इन इट्स फाइनल मोमेंट्स, एक महाशय पिताजी के पास गए, वो सामने बैठे हुए थे, एंड हिज हैबिट वाज दैट ही यूज्ड टू sit on in the front of the stage while I was playing and conduct me. So yeah, that was something very embarrassing that used to happen. I mean, so he'd be on the front row and he's going, "Wo bajao, wo bajao." I have to try and figure out what is wo bajao, kya hai, kya bajana hai. But he would be conducting. So what I used to do, that I finally, whenever he came to the concert, I'd request the organizer to put him to my right, and then I would turn to the musician that I'm playing with, so he'd be behind me, so I wouldn't be able to see him. So yeah. So but this Mahashay ran over, and so I watched him, because I was in the front row, and he came to my father, and my father was going nuts because he wanted to tell me to play something at that point. So he swatted that guy away and looking at me going, "Wo baja, wo baja." So ye sab bhi ho raha tha in the meantime. So anyway, that Mahashay actually stopped him, and then he whispered something in his ear, and my father forgot, directing me. And his eyes became big and whatnot, and he was like, what to do. So he got up and he went to the side, and I said, God knows what's happened, something crazy. So anyway, he talked to the MC, whoever was running the show. So Panditji finished the piece. MC walked up on the stage and whispered something in his ear. And Panditji also he actually mouthed, "Wow." And then he looked at me and I said, "Uh-oh, what did I do this time?" So in any case, Panditji then picked up the microphone and he said, "Before I do the next piece, I would like to tell you that Ustad Zakir Hussain," now this is the first time he called me Ustad. He'd never called me Ustad. Ustad Zakir Hussain has been awarded Padma Shri. And my father was there, and he was like bubbling with excitement. It was like 4:30 in the morning. Times of India building was like just next door to Xavier's College. So paper had come out, and someone had read it and come and told that guy, and that guy told my father. And so this news went out, and my father jumped up and ran up and grabbed the garland, which we were supposed to get later on, and came up on the stage and garlanded me and hugged me. And at that point, I realized that that's nirvana. If I can make my guru that happy, that's it. It's done.
Wow.
So that's the story. It's a very touching story for me. Every time I tell.
It truly is, and it makes me so happy to have you tell this to all of us, because ये मैंने सुना है आपको बोलते हुए, लेकिन मैं हमेशा से चाहती थी कि आप
But every time when I tell in the fashion of क्या कहते हैं उसको, उपज, मतलब improvisation, I do bring other details into it. Every time the telling is slightly different.
Yes.
Which is the core of Indian music.
And also Indian storytelling, because that is depends on who's telling the story, because हमेशा ये point of view जो है बदलता रहता है. I just want to know do you have a love for the movies? क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी फिल्में हैं जिनमें आप नजर भी आए हैं. You always say you want to forget about it.
Of course. Absolutely. You too should forget about it.
I'll try. Tough one. Especially when it involves one of the men of our country who at one point, I think you were called the sexiest man in India. Do you remember that?
Somebody was delirious. Who made that decision? I think it was some magazine called Gentleman Magazine or something. I don't know. And they did a survey, and you know how it is, somebody who's like constantly coming either second or third or fourth and gets that many points and ends up, okay, he's got the most points, so he wins. Getting, in the top 5, finishing in the top 5, that kind of a thing. I don't know. Lots of chai was being sold by me in those days. And so people were watching me at that time. Chai,
Of course.
Yeah,
In fact,
whatever.
I would go on a limb and say, Zakir Hussain, the original chai wala of India.
Oh my God! This is a big company. Our present chaiwala is something to nod your head to. So this is great.
It's possible to say the least. Yes, absolutely. But that's another one of my favorite stories. Is I remember the reason why classical music became so accessible to us is because suddenly we had a sort of person who we could see and relate to on television. And I know this is quite a long story, but
and just imagine तबले के पीछे क्या है.
बस तबले के पीछे क्या है. बट मुझे याद है कि ये भी एक बहुत ही खास कहानी है कि आपको ये एड फिल्म कैसे मिला. It was actually not your first ad film. Let's tell them that.
Yeah. I mean, originally क्या हुआ? I mean, something happened. I was doing decent in my music world, and somehow some attention was coming my way, and किसी के ध्यान में आया कि हमारी जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिक के साथ टाई अप करते हैं तो उसका एक रुतबा कुछ और बढ़ जाएगा, एक्सेट्रा. सो साहब ने किसी को कांटेक्ट किया जो मेरे जान पहचान के थे आईटीसी टबैको कंपनी में, और उन्होंने कहा कि भाई इस वक्त तो अगर कोई क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में टॉक्ड अबाउट यंग मैन, इट्स जाकिर हुसैन. So that's how I ended up in a Capstan filter ad.
Yeah.
So I was in a Capstan filter ad. It was shot at, on Juhu right now. It's called Sofitel, but it was Holiday Inn at one time.
Yeah, bilkul.
Okay. So it was shot in one of those big rooms in Holiday Inn, and I remember borrowing shawls from Shiv Kumar ji. From Kashmir. So I borrowed shawls from him and brought it there. And Ustad Sultan Khan Sahab was with me, playing along with me to do that. And I remember that one of the guy who was smoking the cigarette dropped some burning ash onto one of the expensive shawls. So that was difficult, that thing for me to explain to Shivji, but that did happen. So Capstan filter ad I did, but in those days, ads were also on the theater. Before the main feature, they showed 6, 7, 8, 10 ads. So that's where people first saw me on Capstan filter ad. And so maybe that inspired the tea wala to say, okay, if he can sell cigarettes. But one thing I didn't do is I did not smoke.
Yeah.
And I still to date have never smoked a cigarette. So I had no idea what that world is all about. But everybody around me who was listening to me playing, including Ustad Sultan Khan Sahab, they smoked Capstan filter. Sultan Khan Sahab was the happiest man in the whole place because he was allowed to keep 4 cartons of Capstan filter. He was very happy.
I love this about artists that, it's always the small things that you can absolutely afford to buy, that if you get free, you're just so happy because you could afford to buy anything in the world, really, but then a gift is always a gift and puts a smile on our faces. Isn't that true?
Exactly. I mean, yes. And he seems to be, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया और ये मुझे इतनी बड़ी gift मिल गई. But you played for 6 hours for the shoot, for Christ's sake. So yes, you worked for it, but that's okay.
Well, Zakir Saab, as I promised you, it'll be 30 minutes of your time. I can, of course, take lots more of your time, but I will save that for another day. I'm going to request, of course, everybody who's watching us to kindly send all your love to Zakir Saab and his family. मुझसे जुड़ने के लिए और मुझे वक्त देने के लिए हमेशा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. And you don't know what you do for people like us who are.
Oh, come on! You're always welcome anytime.
Thank you.
Yeah.
बहुत
Please feel free to call me anytime you want me.
Thank you so much, Zakir Saab. अपना ख्याल रखिए.
And stay healthy, be safe.
जी हाँ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. See you soon, and I can't wait to be at Shanmugananda very very soon.
I hope so. Ciao.
Ciao. Bye bye.
This is 100 Hours, 100 Stars, and it is a non-stop tribute to the COVID warriors by Fever FM, by Radio Nasha and Radio 1. And it's such an honor, such a pleasure to be talking to this fantastic person today. A man who believes, rhythm is everything. A man who can create music out of everything. The very iconic, the legendary Padma Shri, Drums Shivamani Avargal. Hi, sir. Welcome.
Hello, vanakkam.
Welcome to this mega digital fest that is happening. First of all, thank you so much for agreeing to do this. And, tough times, sir, tough times. How are you coping up with the situation?
Vanakkam, Varga Bayekam, Varga Valamudan, Mata Pita, Guru Devam. Now, first, I have to thank our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, and doing a great thing and awareness of this corona. Taking care in this moment, our doctors, police, all the in hospital, all the staff, everybody now. I'm taking the pranam. I just pranam to them, and in this moment we locked down and at home, and Fever FM. I have to thank for them to bringing this kind of awareness to show to the world, and so be careful. And this coronavirus is very dangerous, and only God knows. And we pray God and do lots of meditation. And tell me, man.
So yes, sir. So tell me, how are you coping up with the situation? You are somebody who travels a lot, who's always out there. Yeah. So how is this lockdown really feeling?
Yeah, it travels a lot. Really, I understand how the family miss my absence.
Correct.
Especially my 2.5 years old daughter. I have Milana Sivamani.
Yes.
So I'm just doing all the work for her, feeding, taking a bath.
Okay.
And she also got really enjoying. And it's great. And at home, cooking and learning. And recent, I got a call from AR.
Okay.
And the team, they called, and AR is doing one awareness of this corona song.
Yes, sir.
It's going to come out next week, I think so.
Okay.
So you have to, AR said you have to do some work. I have a small studio at home.
Okay.
So immediately, now okay, solita. I said okay to him. And then I called my friend. They refused to come.
Okay.
Because you should come out. The police, lots of in Bombay.
Correct.
And first time, I recorded myself, my drums.
Okay.
And then I went to my studio. I called my engineer. I asked some guideline how to connect everything.
Okay.
I did. I recorded and I sent to my son Kumaran. Kumaran helped me.
Yes.
To mix the sound. So he mixed it very nicely. And then I sent the song to AR. He really liked it.
Okay.
So that was
very soon we are going to see that one super duper song that is going to come out.
Yes.
And we're all waiting for that. But sir, tell me, you are somebody who's always positive, so always full of energy. How do you, full of spirit? So how do you always keep that energy going? Where do you get that energy?
My energy rides like this.
Sir, எப்படி எங்க இருந்து வருது சார்?
இது வந்து இங்க இருந்து வருது. Pathiram. So this rhythm drives me crazy. I always because sound is everywhere. The rhythm is everywhere. Even everyone walks with the rhythm.
Correct.
And they have a rhythm inside.
True.
So that drives me, the energy that comes from.
It's so amazing, every time somebody talks to you, you pass on that energy to the other person. It's beautiful. But now in the lockdown, I'm sure நீங்க வீட்ல இருந்து ஃபேமிலியோட இருந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து கத்துட்டு இருப்பீங்க. You would have learned a lot. Corona has taught a lot of people a lot of things. உங்களுக்கு என்ன கத்து கொடுத்திருக்கு? What has it taught you?
Save the nature.
Right.
Yes, because நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தி அவுட் மெயினா அம்மா அப்பா பத்திரமா பாத்துக்கணும்.
Right.
Yes, some people they're putting in a crush, they're putting in the old age place. I don't know how. அதெல்லாம் பாவங்கள். நம்மள எவ்வளவு குழந்தைகளை பாத்துட்டாங்க. அத வந்து they didn't think about that, and they just, so I just pray for them.
All right.
They will get back, all the parents, and not only that, and be light, very down to earth, and be kind. Very simple life அதுதான். Be kind, and பணம் இவ்வளவு இருந்தா ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, எதுவுமே இல்ல, சும்மா அப்படியே. So these things are we have to teach to our future, our next generation.
Right.
கொஞ்சம் ஒரு டர்ட் அங்க இருந்தாலும் அதை உடனே கிளீன் பண்ணது சொல்லித்தரணும். அதை விட்டுட்டு அது டாய்லெட் தானே இதுவா இருக்கக்கூடாது. யூ ஹாவ் டு மேக் எல்லாமே நல்லா கிளீனா இருக்கணும். டஸ்ட்பின்ல போட சொல்லணும், குழந்தைங்களுக்கு கத்து கொடுக்கணும். So lot of things I'm learning from my daughter. She's repeating whatever we say.
True.
So this is a perfect age for her to how to the good things to teach, and really enjoy, and cooking.
Yes, and we have to talk about it. So what have you learned? What's been cooking in your kitchen? நிறைய இன்ஸ்டா போட்டுட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
See, cooking matterல வந்து I was in Germany like ஒரு 90s.
Okay.
Every 6 months I'll be there performing with a band, jazz band.
Okay.
And the international bands.
Okay.
So every day having a pizza and a sandwich, and in Europe. So I used to call my mom.
Okay.
And my sister Mona, Priya.
Okay.
And Amma phone panni. Your father a musician na S.M. Anandan. My mother name is Lakshmi Anandan.
Yes.
Amma கூப்பிட்டு அம்மா நான் இன்னைக்கு ரசம் சாப்பிடணும், எப்படி செய்யறது ரசம். So அதை கத்துக்கிட்டேன். First, I learned how to make rasam, and then dal.
Okay.
Adukapra fish curry.
All right.
And when I'm traveling with Zakir Hussain sir in the US, I was doing a big tour.
Mm-hmm.
So wherever you go in Chicago, we have a friend, Zakir, my close friend's house. We go there.
All right.
I would go to the market, get some fish, and just make some fish fry, fish curry, rasam.
Lovely.
So like that, in this lockdown period, I just cooked for my entire family. I was staying with my in-laws for 25 days. So I cooked. I showed our South Indian masala how to mix. North is கொஞ்சம் different இருக்கு.
Correct.
ஆமா. So அத காமிச்சோனே ரொம்ப அவங்களுக்கு டேஸ்ட் ரொம்ப இதுவாயிடுச்சு.
தாங்க முடியல.
Yes, and then roti, how to make roti.
All right.
Yeah, and my assistant Ganesh is rocking cooking, and I'm also learning from him.
Super.
So yeah, my wife cooks very well, and she makes in Rajasthan style dal.
Oh, nice.
So adu one கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சிக்கிறது எல்லாம் எப்படின்னு ஏன்னா இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் ஆகும் when you're traveling sometime you have to cook and
true.
So home, sweet home, and just praying very soon everything comes back. It's a new life.
Absolutely, sir. அதுக்காகவே வந்து ஒரு பாசிட்டிவா ரெண்டு பீட்ஸ் நமக்காக எடுத்து விடலாமே. You can play something for us.
Okay, positive on beats.
Yes. So what is that? Is that a table? Is that a table?
No, this is a lap Congo.
Oh, it's a lap. Oh, wow, that's
woodle பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இது இப்போ இந்த ஸ்கின் எல்லாம் கிடைக்கிறது கஷ்டம் காங்கோல இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கிரியேட் பண்றாங்க. Aware of animals எல்லாம் இது பண்ண கூடாது.
Great.
So அதனால woodல Thank you very much.
Oh my God, the energy, sir. Seriously, you are just so amazing. Sir, and you started your career as young as 11. 50 plus years of a music career. Who was the biggest driving force? Who was your biggest strength, sir, in the 50 plus years?
Who's my father, Mr. S. Anandan. He's the one who showed the path. And then Noel Grant, sir, who's the drummer for MSV, sir, and Ramurthy, sir, Vishwanathan Ramurthy group, main drummer. And then he played for Ilayaraja, sir. And he's my big inspiration, and he's living with me.
Right.
Noel Grant, sir.
Right.
And then Billy Cobham, another international great drummer.
All right.
Aprom Louis Prakasam and Thullo Gurtu.
Okay.
இவங்க தான் எனக்கு என்னுடைய ஸ்டைல் ஆஃப் பிளேயிங் என்னுடைய துள்ளகுர்த்து சார் ஸ்டைல் கம்ப்ளீட்டா என்னுடைய செட்டப் எல்லாம் நாட் லைக் a regular American drummer playing.
Right.
It's like a global sound designed, that kind of setup he has. So that, for 82, our path is surrender.
Right.
Yeah, surrender. So these are the main thing. And then my father met with accident. He said, you go and play behalf of me.
Okay.
So I went as a substitute drummer in K.V. Mahadevan.
True.
This recording. My father was a drummer in K.V. Mahadevan Orchestra.
All right.
Abhiya life started, and then Balu sir, S.P. Balasubramanian sir, my godfather, he saw my playing and he asked, Anandan, I will take your son for my road shows.
Okay.
So I started my career age of 11.
Right.
And then
there's no looking back.
Everybody got to know S.P. Balasubramanian drummer in the movie industry. So they started calling me, and I used to go as a substitute for Purushothaman sir.
Lovely.
For Ilaraja sir recording, and TR sir, நாங்க இல்லைன்னா அவ்வளவுதான், recording cancel. Rajan sir, ரஹ்மான் நானும் recording இல்ல வரலனாக்கா அவ்வளவுதான், அவர் கேன்சல் பண்ணுவாரு. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி எங்களுக்கு நல்ல அவங்க நாங்க வாசிக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு விதமா என்ஜாய் பண்ணி அவர்தான் தெரியும் இல்லையா, உணர்ச்சி வசமா. ஆமா ஆமா. பட் is great, and lots of musicians, Sam Joseph uncle and Joy, KJ Joy,
right,
and நிறைய மலையாளம் இதுல A.T. Umar sir, நிறைய பேர் பாஸ். அப்புறம் பாம்பேல லட்சுமி பேர்லால் சார், அனு மலிக், சங்கர் மகாதேவன், and Vishal Shekhar,
of course.
Yeah, Vishal Shekhar. All I just play for them, and
super. And there's been no looking back. So, sir, tell me, right now itself, I can see a huge setup. Tubble and from Bartan Patram, you've just got everything, vessels. But what is the craziest thing that you have played music on or drums on? What is the craziest thing?
Craziest thing, பார்த்தா தண்ணியில வாசிருக்கேன் நானு.
Oh, really?
ஆமா ஆமா, வாட்டர்ல, தண்ணியில. என்னுடைய myself, my wife, we were in Cochin, Ernakulam, and the Hotel Tajla.
Okay.
ராத்திரி நாங்க சாப்பிட்டு we took a walk in the evening.
All right.
And the swimming pool, beautiful blue color, and the lighting எல்லாம் ரொம்ப அருமையா இருந்தது.
Lovely.
I would just jump and I play the water and maybe can record and create something. எனக்கு அப்படி ஒரு ஐடியா வந்து, சரி உடனே I took a permission in the hotel.
All right.
So I carry my Zoom recorder. So I just on the recorder and I started playing inside the water.
Wow.
So I recorded that, and then I just took in my studio. Stephen Devasy arranged, and my wife, she sang, and
lovely.
So that is in the YouTube. Everybody can see that I just post.
Right.
So I played in the water.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
That is so amazing. And so we have to talk about your friendship with the legendary A.R. Rahman. So it dates back to many, many years back when you started that band. But Solinga, A.R. Rahman sir, is this like, from what we know him, from what we see, he's a very quiet person, a very shy type. So ana nariya pesvaru appdi neenga sollirkinga. So what is that one thing about A.R. sir that only you know and nobody else knows that you'd want to reveal now?
A.R. still is same person what I just seen in the beginning.
Right.
That best thing, when he called, he said we were just chatting in the FaceTime.
Okay.
Regularly I'll disturb him in the night.
Okay.
I called Shiva. I did everything, Shiva, myself. Nobody's there. I locked down, and I said it's not new to me. I seen you doing that in the beginning.
Correct.
There's a RC500. There's a machine.
Okay.
He programs in that.
Okay.
So I said, this is not new to me, and he's brilliant. He's a genius. So A.R. photo camera me பிடிக்காது அவர்.
Okay.
கேமரா வேணாம் சிவா வேணாம் ஸோ அதுக்காகவே நாங்க அப்படியே நான் ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி ஐ ஜஸ்ட் டேக் சம் பிக்சர்ஸ்.
Okay.
And his son is doing very well. And
yes, he is.
I mean, whenever I just meet, my son works with AR.
Right.
He is there, and thanks to him, AR. And so AR கிட்ட வந்து ஒன்னு அனவசியமா பேசுறது பிடிக்காது. அவர் வேலை செய்யும் போது immediately cut off everybody. Okay. And அதுதான் அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு இது. And he fully focused in
right. Sir, you know, this bandana, you have made it legendary. So, you know, everybody, Sivamani sir, abdinale, the one thing that everybody can associate with you after the drums is, of course, the bandana. So, tell me now also, you're at home for a red t-shirt, you're wearing a red color bandana. So, is it always like that? How did this whole thing start?
Always I wear this. This is like a, I have to thank again A.R. Rahman for this.
Okay.
Because of him, the early 90s, we did a Sun TV recording.
Okay.
Live vasto.
Okay.
Appo adukku munadi I was playing for A.R. Very spiritual song.
Okay.
So A.R. offered me a gulla, a colorful cap. So on the cap enike gift pantaru on the colorful cap.
Okay.
So adha use panana Sun TV la. So அது நல்லா எனக்கு எல்லாருமே நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. அந்த டைம்ல தான் எனக்கு என் father passed away. So அந்த இதுல I have to shave
off. Right.
Yeah. So அந்த முடிஞ்சு அப்படியே நான் கண்டினியூ பண்ணிட்டேன் அத. அந்த ஹேட் கேப்லாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் நியூயார்க் போனா என்னுடைய பிரதர் ஜோ பிரபாகர் அவர் தான் நம்மளுக்கு சப்ளை எல்லாம். இந்த சைனால இருந்து ஆர்டர் பண்ணுவாங்க.
ஓகே.
இதெல்லாம் சைனால இருந்து ஆக்சுவலா.
ஓகே. பட் அப்ப வாங்குனதுல இப்ப எதுவும் வாங்கல சைனால இருந்து?
இல்ல ஐயோ. சோ நிறைய ஸ்டாக் எல்லாம் இருக்கு.
ஓகே. சோ இப்போ
கலர்ஃபுல் ஆல் எங்க கலர் என்ன Dress போறனோ அந்த கலருக்கு நான் மேட்சா போடுறது
இருக்கு. சோ you have all colors,
Yes. Almost not all colors, particular colors only.
Okay. Yeah. So do you choose your apparels, your clothes according to the bandanas you have, or how does it work?
Yes, when I just wear white, I'll just wear white and white.
Okay.
And white color.
Okay.
And the red, yellow, green, some brown, pink.
Oh, there's all like you just have all the colors in the world.
Yes. So in the bandana ரொம்ப suitable ஆயிடுச்சு. நான் இது போட்ட ஒரு எல்லாத்தையும் கவர் பண்ணி மாதிரி ஆயிடுது. Plus they recognize this.
Yes.
Yeah, it suits.
Even it's
my style.
Of course, your style. So let's play this game called Never Have I Ever. Okay. So I'm going to give
Never
have I ever. Okay. So I'm going to give you a sentence. You have to tell me if you have never done that or if you have done that before. Okay. Okay. So never have I ever told AR that his music can be better.
ஆமா நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன்.
You have. Okay.
Yes,
so how does he take it? How's his reaction to it?
He's taking very light. He's taking very light. Yes.
Okay. And never have I ever been low on energy.
Low on energy. Yes, na konjo low ஆயிருக்க.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So because we've only seen you with full of energy and full of positivity.
Yeah.
So
when I just when I'm talking to my dad, I said I'm going for a concert in Bangalore. I'll finish and I'll come and so on.
Okay.
போயிட்டு கான்சர்ட் முடிச்சிட்டு மறுநாள் 6 o'clock early morning flight இருந்துச்சு. அதை கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டு நான் கொஞ்சம் தூங்கணும்னு மத்தியானம் flight மாத்தினேன். In that between he passed away.
Oh, okay.
So I was ரொம்ப down. நான் எப்படின்னா ஏன் இந்த மாதிரி இந்த flight 6 மணிக்கு முடிச்சிருந்தா நான் போய் அப்போ ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல போய் பார்த்துருப்பேன். அந்த ஃபீலிங் அந்த அப்போ ரொம்ப இதுவாச்சு.
Right. So, never have I ever got so excited on stage while performing that the drumsticks have fallen on somebody.
Drumstick fallen and the drumsticks taken somebody. அந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸைட்மெண்ட்.
Okay.
யாருனாக்கா our great Abdul Kalam sir.
Oh wow.
அவர் வீட்டுல ராஜ்பவன்ல அங்க டெல்லியில நாங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் வாசம்.
Wow. So our next never have I ever question is, never have I ever mismatched my bandana with my dress. வேற கலர் என்னைக்காவது போட்டிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Oh, is it? Okay.
ஆமா. I was really depressed that day. It means என்னடா இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டேன். ஒரு green color.
Okay.
bandana wrong-ஆ போட்டுட்டேன்.
நீங்களும் அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுவீங்களா அப்படின்னு வந்து நம்பவே முடியல.
ஏன்னா சிச்சுவேஷன் அந்த மாதிரி என் பனானா என்னுடைய பேக் கம்ப்ளீட்டா கம் டார்லிங் அந்த இதெல்லாம் இருந்துச்சு. என்கிட்ட இருந்த ஒரே ஒரு அந்த கலர் தான். I have to wear that.
Okay, so like that because you lost the luggage, all of this happened. And
yes.
And tell me, never have I ever forgotten about a concert. You were supposed to go to a concert, you forgot and you stepped off. Has that happened?
No, I never done that. Yeah.
Okay, super. And so these are my questions. I think it was quite fun. You were very candid about it. So, sir, ipo engloda this entire campaign, this mega digital fest is called 100 Hours 100 Stars. So now vandu paadve you 100 Hours 100 Stars, right?
Okay.
So now vandu paadve you have to play.
Okay.
Yeah, super. Before we do that, sir, I want to make a request to all those people who are watching this video to generously contribute to the Prime Minister's Cares Fund, PM Cares Fund. You can see, a link that is right there on your video. Click that link and proceed to pay to contribute to the Prime Minister's Cares Fund. Guys, the link is right there available on your video. Once you click it, it'll say proceed to contribute, fill in your details, fill in the amount you want to contribute, and do that, guys. Yeah, we're doing this for the COVID warriors, 100-hour non-stop tribute. So, sir, I'm going to sing and you're going to play, all right?
Yes, please. Yes.
Super. So, sir, my voice is not going to be so great and all, so please adjust.
Don't worry about that. Yes.
Okay, all right. 100 hours, 100 stars, 100 hours, 100 stars. Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4.
100 hours, 100 stars, 100 hours, 100 stars. A non-stop tribute to COVID warriors, non-stop tribute to COVID warriors, 100 hours, 100 stars, 100 hours, 100 stars.
Yeah!
Thank you.
Great.
Sir, thank you so much. It was such a pleasure talking to you. You're always positive, full of energy. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, and if there is a message that you want to give all the doctors, all the policemen, all the frontline workers, what would it be? If you want to say thank you to them.
I have to thank the entire group of our doctors and the police and staff in the hospital. And thank you very much and God bless. And in this moment for this corona thing, and I pray soon will come out everything, and we love you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We love you. Thank you so much. Stay safe, sir. Stay safe with family. Thank you.
God bless.
That was the legendary Shivamani, ladies and gentlemen. This is 100 Hours, 100 Stars, a non-stop tribute to the COVID warriors. You too can say your thank you by simply scanning the QR code using your Paytm app, or click on the link and generously donate to the Prime Minister's Cares Fund, the PM Cares Fund. All you have to do is click on that link and proceed to contribute, fill in your details, and fill in the amount you'd like to contribute. And done. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had fun. This is 100 Hours, 100 Stars, a non-stop tribute to COVID warriors.